students, how are you? I hope all are good. Today let we start Unit 5 GK Dressing Sense, chapter number 34. So let we start. The clothes we wear say a lot about us. So we dress according to the climate and environment of the place we live in. So match these dresses and head here with the parts of the word where they are traditionally worn by writing the correct letters in the boxes. So number 1 is anorak, heavy jacket usually with a hood and fur lining to protect the face and body from extreme cold. Okay. So here is G, मतलब कहाँ पे Arctic region. Option is G. Number 2, Bunad, traditional costumes and scarves with elaborate designs and embroideries with silver or gold threads and jewelry. तो ये कहाँ का है? Dress B, Norway. Number 3, Hakama ankle length plaited skirts traditionally worn by men but now also worn by women. Sarong, a large piece of cloth wrapped around the waist by men and women. F. Japan is done and now F. Southeast. तो ऑप्शन आएगा यहाँ पे F. Number 5. Mekla, a piece of cloth wrapped around the waist worn with tie. So ये number 5 ये कहाँ पे पहना जाता है? C. Number 6. Chamanto, a decorative poncho-like garment. Number 6. D. Chile. इसमें आएगा ऑप्शन D. Number 7. Ushanka, a fur cap with ear flaps to protect the ears and chin from cold. Number 7. H. Russia. B. Norway. A. B. Norway. And where is C? E. D. E. Spain. इंडिया में तो साड़ी पहनी जाती है ना. Okay, number 7 is headgear with the parts. So heavy jacket usually with a hood and fur lining to protect the face and body from extreme cold. A. Traditional costume is scarves with elaborate designs and embroidered with silver, gold threads and jewelry. So which? Ankle length plaited skirts traditionally worn by men but now also worn by women. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 35. Outstanding people. These famous people taking cues from the pictures. Number 1, the king of ancient Babylonia. He is famous for giving the code of law to his subject to follow. Hammurabi. He was a Greek philosopher and the teacher of Plato, Socrates, Socrates. Number 3, a Chinese philosopher and a social reformer, he laid the foundation of a system of ethics. Confucius. Number 4, a Greek poet, he is generally credited with the epic poems, the Iliad and the Odyssey. So number 4 is Homer. Let me check.
No.
Number 5, a Greek astronomer and geographer, his theory of the Earth-centric universe was disproved by Copernicus. So number 5 is Ptolemy. Number 6, a Roman dictator, he is considered one of the world's greatest conquerors. The month of July is named after him. The month of July is named after him. Julius Caesar.
Yanamo. Rembiusang. Kilaviste. Kike Europe.
Number 7, a Greek mathematician and scientist, he is best known for name the Dose theorem. He is often referred to as the father of numbers. So, Pythagoras. He was the first Roman emperor. To convert the Christianity, the capital of the Eastern Roman Empire was founded by him and named after him. So ये है Constantine. Number 9, a Greek scientist and mathematician. A Greek scientist and mathematician, he discovered the principle of fluid displacement, Archimedes. कहते हैं ना आर्किमिडीज का सिद्धांत. Number 10, a classic Roman poet, he is known for the Aeneid, which is often regarded as Rome's national epic, Virgil. So the students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 36. So the chapter number 36, World Wars. The two world wars claim millions of lives, destroy cities and everything that could be seen. Check your awareness about the wars. Number 1, when did the first World War end?
In Cebu.
11 November 1918, India. Which major city in World War II suffered the most civilian deaths? More than 6 lakhs. Leningrad. Number 3, what were the fanatic Nazis who harassed the Allies even after Germany's defeat called? So this is Werewolves. Number 4, the sinking of which ship by a German submarine and the loss of American life became the cause of USA's entry into World War I. The Lusitania. The Lusitania Winston.
Energy. Israel. We can article for sorry, that's it. I'm back. It.
Number 5. Which wartime leader was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature? Winston Churchill. Number 3 is werewolves. Okay, Winston. And the number 5 is Winston Churchill. Number 6. Which city was bombed by the Germans on 1st May 1915 when a Zeppelin dropped nearly 100 incendiary bombs on the northeast sector of the city? So, London. Number 7. At the cost of over £500,000 a year, which Nazi war criminal did the West German government keep in Spandau jail? So, number 7 is Rudolf Hess. Number 8. In June 1916, the British fleet fought the Germans in which naval battle? Number 8 is Battle of Jutland. Number 9. During the Second World War, parts of Andaman, Nagaland and which other Indian state were captured by the Japanese? So, which one? Manipur. Number 10. Which new method of lightning war was introduced by the Germans in the Second World War? Blitzkrieg. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 37. World quiz. Tick the correct answer. Let me start. The deepest lake of the world is Lake Baikal, Baikal Jheel. Number 2, the largest island in the world is Greenland. The largest river in the world, Amazon. Sorry. Number 4, the smallest country in the world is Vatican. Number 5, the largest desert in the world. The largest desert in the world is Sahara Desert. Number 6, the highest city in the world is Singapore. Number 6. Vanchon. The highest mountain peak in the world is Mount Everest. Number 8. The longest river in the world is Nil Nadi. Number 9. The most populated country in the world is China. 9. Yes. The largest country in area in the world is Canada. Number 11. The brightest planet in the solar system is Mars. Number 12. The nearest planet to the sun is Mercury. The largest continent in the world is North America. The largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. Okay, so everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 38. Professionals all. Match the names of these famous people with their professions. Okay, let we start. बहुत ऊपर नीचे करना पड़ेगा. Number 1, Kevin Peterson. Cricketer. D. Do. Christian Amanpour. Television anchor. E. Number 3, Andy Murray. Andy Murray. 3 is tennis player. A. Number 4, Mark Zuckerberg. Internet entrepreneur. I. Number 5, Alexandre Gustave Eiffel. Architect. Number 6, Justin Timberlake. Singer. M. Okay, number 7, Rina Dhaka. Fashion designer. Number 8, Tom Hanks. Actor. L. Number 9, Amrita Shergill. So who is Amrita Shergill? And music composer. And next one, Dmitry Medvedev. Now number 10 is politician. P. Number 11, Nigella Lawson. Television chef. F. F I guess me. Now number 12, Anna Hazare. Activist. G. Number 13, Stephen Hawking. Scientist. O. Number 14, Chris Tucker. Comedian. K. Number 15, Ludwig van Beethoven. C. Painter. तो यहाँ पे हम मेंशन करेंगे C. And the last one, Dwayne Douglas Johnson. तो ये है wrestler. H. Okay? So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 39.
Yes. Up. You have feel this.
Close to nature. The original inhabitants of geographical region are known as its indigenous people. Name the indigenous people described in each clue. So you can pick the answers from the help box. Number 1, they were the first inhabitants of New Zealand. Their name means ordinary people. So they are skilled artists and excel in the craft of wood, carving and weaving. So these are the Maori.
I will be very
This Indian tribe lives in parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Gair and Bhumar are different forms of their dances. ये हैं Beels. Number 3, They were the original inhabitants of southern United States. After the Europeans settled in the United States, their population decreased rapidly. So today most of them have been forced to adopt the American way of life. ये हैं, they are nomadic herdsmen living in Eastern Africa. They move from place to place in search of food and settle down temporarily in village called kraals. So these are the Maasai. Originally a hunter-gatherer tribe, they had settled in Australia. More than 40,000 years ago, their life changed when the Europeans arrived in Australia. Even today, many of them do not have the same opportunities as most Australians. So the number 5 is Aborigines. Number 6, they are fishermen and hunters living in and around the Arctic regions. They live in igloos in winter and in tents made of animal skin in summer. They ride sledge and breed husky dogs. So these are the Inuits. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 40. Read about some special honors awarded to recognize excellence in certain fields. So number 1, the Ramon Magsaysay Award. Recognize those who address issues of human development in Asia with courage and conviction and who have made contributions to transform their societies for the better. The award is given in 6 categories: government service, public service, community leadership, journalism, literature and creative communications, arts, peace and international understanding and emergent leadership. So in 2009, Deep Joshi of India was awarded by the Ramon Magsaysay Award for his work with NCOS, and Prakash Amte and Dr. Mandakini Amte were honored for their social work. Number 2, the Man Booker Prize is awarded every year to the best original full-length novel in English by a citizen of the Commonwealth of Nations, Ireland or Zimbabwe, initiated in 1969. This is one of the world's most important literary awards. The 2001 prize was awarded to the Indian author Aravind Adiga for his debut novel. So the White Tiger find out the names of the people of Indian origin who have received the award. Number 3, Bharat Ratna. It is the highest Indian civilian honor given for exceptional service towards the advancement of art, literature and science, and in recognition of public service of the highest order. So it was instituted in 1954 by the first President of India, Rajendra Prasad, Hindustani classical vocalist. Bhim Sen Joshi was the recipient of the award in 2008. So find out whether any citizens of countries other than India have been awarded the Bharat Ratna. Number 4, established in 1862, the Medal of Honor is the highest medal awarded by the Congress of the United States. So it is awarded to a member of the armed force for an act of gallantry at the risk to life and beyond the call of duty in conflict with the enemy. So though it is awarded to all the branches of US military, the medal for each branch has distinct design. Okay, so everyone, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all these chapters. We will meet to the next class. Thank you.